Kapitan Dagat yung unang naging tapatan dito. Ang titignan natin dito, AJ, yung breaking nito. Kasi,
Pag naman yung mga performing players natin.
and we just saw earlier that Makati Titans, one of the more successful teams, pumasok nga kay Albert Espinola. Kaya ito, simpleng-simple to kay Balbon.
Dapat talaga originally nagagalaw yung pato. Pero dito,
Actually, doon sa break na yun, talagang direktang tinatamaan mo yung yellow one.
lalong mas maganda yung chances to make the wing ball and some other balls. So let's see kung kaya pa niyang pilitin ha. Ilalim, kaliwa.
Iwas disgrasya para sa unang panalo ng Negros Occidental Pillars. Baka pigilin na nga ba, AJ?
Yun na nga.
Billy Dalistan Campos ay nabiktima ng S2S.
Aray ko po.
Oh, look at that break coming from Jonald.
Natural angle lang ang kailangan lang dito para pabalik yung pato kung nasaan kanina para dito sa Bluetooth.
Babawi
Very
ka?
nice. Okay naman.
Oo.
Maganda naman ang kalat. So pwede ko naman masabing it is safe to say. Natataon lang naman.
Ang ganda ng pina. Kung magtuloy-tuloy itong laro ni Jonald Galve, baka manood lang din tong mga
Yung iba,
kakamping
you know.
corner pocket doon sa bakante.
Yes. So, expected yung ganong teka lang. Okay, kinabahan ako dun.
Circumstances, ikaw din yan, AJ Ong. Ayan na! Oy, may S2S ni AJ Ong yan. Ayan, dinerecho.
Top lang yung kaya niyang gawin doon. Kaya ito nangyari, napasunod at nadikit tong pato sa 6.
So we're going to have a safety battle in this green 6.
Again, look at this. Yung sinabi mong mga bola sa gitna, it's a huge help. Maximum right or left hand spin rather. Nako. Hindi pa rin umabot.
Yung mga after ng break, di ba?
Titans, ito na nga itong si Joshua Militante. Pero you have to be proud if you're Jojo Sanchez, di ba?
Naniniguro si Joshua Militante kung saan ipapwesto yang lolo going towards the 9 ball.
For his second win.
Got it.
Ooh, okay. Well, although that was on the thin side of the 9 ball.
Na maraming pwedeng moniker sa kanya, pwedeng Richard. Kasi
Binaliktad lang naman
siya.
na
Napapansin nyo na po, sa lahat ng mga players dito sa SBA, siya po ang pinakatisoy. Thus,
Tisoy, yung kanyang moniker. Minamadali.
Oo.
Kasi may kanya-kanyang tempo ang bawat player.
Diba? Kanya-kanyang ritual. Because
Oo.
that is, depende na sa player yan kung paano nila makukuha yung rhythm nila. Diba?
That's right, yes.
Huwag na tayo lumayo. Yung mo naghang.
So
That's
far, so
Professor
good.
Freeze.
Natin dito, 2 bola na lang natitira ng
In their scoring ways, binasag ng tuluyan ni John Drasir Mauricio. Si Tisoy, ang kanyang sargo. Positibong resulta, 9 ball is moving. He's got a shot towards that side pocket.
Yeah, he was very careful talaga, no? That's right. He tried to control the cue ball as much as possible and he has done that very nicely. Maganda yung pagkontrol ng pato doon. Possibly be another break and run in the making. Depende na lang.
You opted to choose that side of the table. Papunta sa 7.
Yes, yan. Oh, medyo sumabit ng konti talaga doon.
Yung nabiktima ng bro kanina ni Jonald Galve. At
Kinay
ito na
nga.
naman si Michael Kinay. The second time he's on the floor. And for the second time, he will
Biktima
not
na naman.
competition table because Drasir Mauricio just cleaned out rack number 9. This is the third one.
Another
And
successful break.
Same result. Time and again, we always mention this, that these successful breaks produce. Pero again, continuing on that thought,
Ang ganda ng kalat ng mga bola.
it's quite
Pretty straight but still with an angle here. So he forced the cue ball to move forward and landing nicely. Sunod, Lolo. By the way guys, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung Lolo kasi is a
yung
term.
cue ball.
Look
Diba
at
yung
this
mga
right
taga
here.
Rizal, diba? May mga,
Iba naman ang term
may mga
nila.
term yan. Hindi, yung mga
Banayad,
terms, yung mga banayad.
Pero yung pato sa kanila, ang tawag.
Pato talaga.
Okay, kala ko naman special term
Pwede, so gawin nating duck para maiba lang, diba?
ng leading team. pero sa SBA talaga, alam mo, sa experience ko dito, di ba, may nangyari ngang 11-3 tapos nahabol pa, naghil-hil pa.
It's just a matter of getting their rhythm, di ba?
That's right.
And for Albert Espinola, this is an open layout. Nagdoblete pa si Albert Espinola at hindi dahil nag-showcase si Albert Espinola doon because he needed that.
Pa yung 6 and 9, di ba? So, yun yung ginawa niya.
Disgrasya pa yun.
Yes. Maganda ang pinapakita dito ni Albert,
As a leader.
As a leader.
Nilaglag pa yung extension. Bahala ka dyan, extension.
Di pa pwede
Bahala
naman
ka
yun.
Di nga lang sila makapag-ingay yun because they have more important matters to address because they are down by 8 racks. Manguna na naman sa sayawan.
Papasok kasi sa punto na yung mga iniisip na,
Lose na,
diba? Hindi na yung parang, diba?
Ayan. If they wanna be aggressive, sige, pagapangin hanggang corner. Pinagapang nga.
Wow.
And that is good. The orange 5 will make its way on the side pocket. What a great shot. Coming from Raymart Kamamot. There's a 2-8 combination play for Jolo Aspuria. Yun ba ang gagawin?
Palusot.
Pinalusot. At naging safety kahit pa paano.
Cue ball behind the 9 and 5 probably. Or
Ayan.
the other way around. 2 ball this time. Ayun.
Ay, nako, nakukyutan.
Nakita
Kay
kay
DMC.
DMC. Sino?
Si Anton Raga.
Kakambal. Tanong mo kay tanong mo kay Anton kung papayag siya. Di ba? If he's gonna attack dito sa puntong to.
There's an offense. Actually, no.
Yeah, he's trying
Kasi
to
it's a wide angle.
or maybe in the entire game.
Pininahan.
Very nice.
Also explore that option.
Problema pa rin yung 5. Pwedeng ilagay na lang siguro yung cue ball from the 4 ball sa short side of the 5. Pero
Nagtago. Kaya pa yan, Makati. Yan ang sabi niya.
kayang-kaya pa naman talaga. Look at this right here. Very nice. Side rails.
Si Noel Dagat, ikaw ilog.
Ang ilog side rail to side rail.
Side to side rail. Ang dagat,
Dagat
yung
is short rail para sa orange 5 is the side pocket.
sinubukang umupensa.
Bounce first before hitting the 5. Ande. Okay, same pocket niya
Oo.
pag binrake niya yung 5 and 9. So, he opted to play same pocket for the 5.
Some strength. 2 rails. We'll make that 3 to get it towards the 9 ball. Mapipinahan ni Black Calabaw yan. Oh, yan.
Wow,
Diba?
right
Napinahan.
That's right, Jay.
Pero still, from the looks of it,
Pag ganyan, yun na nga, tapos ang storya dito. Pinaka key shot na lang siguro ito is yung parang yun na lang ata yung gagawin niya dito. Yun na nga.
he is seeing.
Decision making din, number 1 yun. Kailangan magandang decision mo. Okay. So,
Pipinahan niya lang itong brown 7 na to.
yeah,
Got the angle right. Got the rail right.
perfect.
Direct shot at the black 8.
Parang ganun na nga, Jay. It's going to be an early night.
It's a tight lag to begin. But Negros Occidental had none of it because they just plain dominated this night.
13-6. Of course, the largest margin of victory was 13-4.
Yes.
Dito sa ating SBA Season 2. And Kinay takes it on, and he
Wow,
also
look at-
makes the 3 ball to boot. How about that? Well, Makati never led yesterday, and by the looks of it, nakakatuwa naman si Espinola sa pupunan ng Makati.
And that's how much he loves the game. Looking for that shift, getting the win.
Pero yung 9, hindi.
Which still makes that a challenging combination kung yun ang hahabulin mo.
Di siya mahanap kanina eh.
Ayun na.
Yan na, executed well.
Straightforward ang posisyon ng mga bola ngayon. Well, they don't see any problem here. And now they are threatening. Look at that draw shot with extra juice. Draw shot na biyahe pa. This could be the shot. Oh, wow.
What a shot by Kamomot. Coach, why am I on the bench tonight?
No.
Oh, di ba maya-maya, baka makakuha siya ng pagkakataon. Pero ngayon, ang
Ito na.
pagkakataon belongs to Kamomot
Wow.
Director.
Oh,
Si
yeah.
Eric Mendoza. Yon, pumasok ang numero 8. Na-lucky 8 sila rito. At nung dumating siya dito today, pinasok agad siya ni Jojo Sanchez.
Tingnan mo yung
sa
biyahe
lineup.
na ginawa na yun. Oh.
That's just an amazing shot.
Wow.
Ang katanungan dyan, makakatayo ba sila sa kanilang kinauupuan. 4 to the 5. Ang ganda naman ng kontrapektos. Ayaw nila yung kombinasyon sa 7 para sa Negros.
Exceptional pocketing.
They have the highest winning percentage, but can it translate to another win dito?
My goodness. They're
Break.
playing exceptional 9-ball. So now a bank shot here for offense.
Gusto mo nang tapusin to kung ikaw si Hidalgo. Again,
Mahirap
getting preparation on the 8 is not automatic, ha?
I think he will go bank. What a shot!
Ayun
Look
yung
at that.
pektus. Just when you thought that Makati was going to stop the hot streak, 7 in a row.
What a performance.
At saka itong si Robin Ronquillo, 5 ball goes down. Kadami-daming pwedeng puntahan ng Pato Dumpa talaga. Break and run out nga ba ito? Hidalgo
Exactly.
was not even here yesterday.
Bahagyang nakalimutan dahil di naglaro. Ngayon pagpasok, instant impact. Oh, draw shot.
Teka. Yun. Akala ko magkakastorya pa eh. We call that the check side spin.
There you go.
Wins.
My goodness. And to think they were down 2-0 early in this tournament.
Malay
Kayo
mo eh.
talaga, oh.
Yung dalawang yan. O ito, dry break pa.
Hindi, uno.
Hindi, uno.
Tapos may tira ba sa dos? May tira pa sa dos. Tingnan mo.
Suwabe. Ito, tatamaan yung 6 dito sa pagtama. Our third duo rather, deployed tonight by Jojo Sanchez. Winning streak. Kailangan niya isipin dito. Looks like he's going corner.
It's just that kind of a night para sa
Well,
Negros Occidental.
From the Black Eagle, 10 consecutive racks won. Oh, and dating back to last night pa yan, 6 in a row yung nakuha nila. Panapos.
Pinahirapan pa yung tira dito ngayon. Yun na nga
Solsona
sinasabi
cannot
ko.
deliver. Oy!
May swerte!
Oo. Pero ito na, maganda na ang layout ngayon para sa Makati Titans, Mark. Kung lalakasan niya, hindi. On Michael Kinay to put this away and end the drought. Yes.
Ayun na. And a sigh of relief para sa kupunan ng Makati Titans.
Dito sila kakain hanggang bukas.
Good break na
Oh.
naman.
Dry break. Again,
May
a
pumasok.
shot on the 1. May pumasok ba?
May pumasok.
May pumasok.
Oo, corner pocket.
Successful na nga sa break. Nakakaligpit pa yung kupunan ng Makati. Na-cover natin. Di pa champion yun, Mark.
Oo.
Ha?
Tanda na natin.
Oo.
After itong Negros set a new rack record of
Nagkaroon ng konting storya rito yung numero 7 that this should be no problem. Just like that. Konti lang.
things are looking really good right now para sa Makati Titans.
This will be 3 in a row for Solsona and Kinay.
Wow.
And a good break coming from the Titans.
The lucky breaks including balls pocketed on the break. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin niya dito. Trying to get away. Yun, medyo nagka-problema dito on the 3.
Pakurida dapat yan. There it is.
Nice
wow.
shot.
So after this, 2 rails to the 6. Home free na kayo. Mag 1 rail na lang daw. And Michael Kinay, sila pa talaga magiging duo dito
You
na
would
magbabalik.
think that si Coach Albert will have naku, puntik pa.
Pero okay na rin. At least this time, Espinola can just concentrate on coaching.
That's right.
Yes, sir.
Pinauna talaga.
That is going to be 4 straight wins now. 10-2, but now the score is 11-7. As Makati has already surpassed their win total from last night. Si Drasir na dumalaw dito last week, balbasarado eh.
Oo.
Di namin siya nakilala eh. That's a pretty good safety shot. Although medyo kita yung uno, at the very least may contact with the 1. Double purpose shot. If he made it, ilalayo. May pangharang ba?
Yung dos mukhang hihinto, right? Coach Albert getting the shot.
At may hiwalay pa yung 9 at saka yung 5. Hindi, itatago
Ooh,
pa
goes
ulit.
defense. Look at that shot.
One rail kick is available.
One
lang.
Ayun na.
Uy, papasok ba?
Alaim
What
na
an
naman
escape!
talaga, oh. Bayaran ng maganda yung placement na yun. At kinalog.
Well, he was
But-
trying to hit the 3 ball.
A little bit of the 2 nakita dito. And he will hide that cue ball.
Hindi natago.
Hindi natago, oh.
Ang Militante can see a bit of the 2 ball.
Mamasahin niya ng konti.
Konting
Niya.
masay, yes.
Konting masay, and the defense behind the 7. Larong-laro na yung isa eh. Ayun, yung
Ayun.
tingkat. Ayun na. Yun ang problema. One rail muna siya. Yun na nga ginawa
Oh,
dito.
yeah. He could have made it if he had made the correct contact.
Thing that can happen is masama ang preparation for the 4, but
Binagalan niya yung
Charge,
pamato.
oh.
Nicely done. Okay na.
ay hindi.
Bank shot!
Wow!
That solves everything from Militante.
The playing coach of the Makati Titans with a shot on the 5. Draw shot.
Walang problema. Kinakanta lang na, eto
Buko
na!
naman talaga!
Oh! Sabihin dapat, eto na, eto na.
May tulong pa!
Ano ba to? 2 rails? 2 rails nga.
Great shot. Uy, meron pang talaga naman.
Galing
Ano?
naman. He can hide it behind the 9.
Oh,
What
beautiful
a shot!
shot!
What an adventurous rack. Buhay pa!
Bah,
Pumapalag pa rin ang Makati Titans. Down 8 racks.
no pwede sabihin fatigue, Noel. Or I don't know what's happening.
That's very uncharacteristic talaga.
Ito si Albert Espinola.
Pero ang hirap niya na, playing coach. I mean, it's hard in any sport, mas lalo na dito sa billiards. Isa na lang ang abante ng Negros Ox.
Ibalik yung cue ball sa bandang 5, yung 2 sa bandang 7. Ngayon na nga.
Well, that's a pretty good cover. Wala, dapat may counter safety dito si Castronuevo. Who's also, by the way, one of the fastest shooters
hey,
we
what a
have.
shot.
And the first shot of
Wow.
Dilmar Castronuevo is an offensive kick. Gawain itong mga to. Nagma-minus 10 sa shot clock.
Oh, boy.
Let's see what Castronuevo does with this.
An easy akyat for the 3. So the Kamomot Castronuevo duo.
Simple draw shot. Good angle on the 5. Gagamitan pa talaga ng rail doon.
Dusted himself off.
Pag ganito latag, repeatable na talaga. Naku, talo mula nung pinasok siya. Will cost them the night.
Plus they have the record too, Noel.
Ayan na.
There we go.
And it is over. Into the side. He calls himself the Black Eagle. Yung pala walang nagbansag sa kanya ng pangalan na yun. Lipad ng isang agila. So yan, tawag sa kanya ngayon, the Black Eagle. And he has a very open layout dito.
Paying dividends for his team.
Yun talaga, nagbabago talaga pag nagkaroon ka na ng overseas experience. Black yung unang pangalan na, di ba, Black Tiger. O siya ngayon, Black Eagle. Ang nakuha nila. And that was after being down 0-2 sa laban na yun, Doc Nicky. They cut the lead down to 1. 11-10 at that point. At kwento natin kung bakit sila busog.
Oo.
After the last 2 balls go down. Who won the lag? But the Pillars strike first with a run out kanina, Doc Nicky.
Let's see kung makaka-bro ba siya dito sa next rack natin. And Noel,
Dalawa. Yan ay 9. Ay. Suabe.
medyo nakahabol nga dito ang Makati Titans. Kukuridahin ba dito ni Hidalgo yung puti? And that's what he did.
So he was almost straight on that 3. Nagawa niya ng paraan na mapwesto dito. Not the
Isa-isay
ideal.
na lang daw,
Oo.
Noel.
Mas madali yun eh. 6-1 na ang kanilang kartada. They are the number 1 team in the league in terms of percentage. 6-1.
Inihain na sa kanya itong 9 ball.
And didn't make it on the break. Muntika na siya magkaroon ng golden break.
Makabawi din siya dun sa start na yun. There you go, Noel.
Yun,
Dalawa pa.
Dalawa. Ating lucky 8, napasok niya kaagad.
There you go.
Despite the fact that he's only 22 years old, 12 years old, lumayas ng bahay yan. At ilang taon siyang nakatira lang doon sa park sa kanila. Kasi talagang batang lansangan. And then one day, of course, nakahanap siya ng bilyaran. Umabot siya all the way to Zamboanga at pwede kang sa pelikula ang buhay niya talaga
Yes.
rito kung tutuusin.
Dito for Mars Acres Quezon.
Well, magiging makulay dito kung makakabalik siya from this deficit. Is to take the short side.
Ops for that other side.
Yun lang
Let's
nga.
see.
I'm telling you about that 9-ball kanina, Doc Nicky.
There you go.
He's gonna use an extension
Dahil
here. but-
konti na lang din ng mga bola dito,
Oo.
Noel. Napakahirap ng isipan dito ng tago. And that's what he
Intentional
did.
foul.
Our reigning 10-ball world champion.
Luluwa ito. And Kinay is also done. Counter safety dapat ito, but
Yun na.
yun talaga with conviction. Short side na niya kukunin yung 9. Hindi na niya susugal na. Gets it. Itong key shot, 1 to the 2.
There you go, Noel. No problem. Using some left side English dito. Patumabaho yung puti. Sakto lang yan for the 3, Noel.
Ayun na. Mainit pa rin ang tumbok. Galing sa magandang performance kagabi. Biduing. Inikot. Maasar sa kanya
The
si
ultimate
Chesky.
contrast. If it ain't broke, why fix it? Ika
Right.
nga. Ilalim kanan dito for that 8.
Manila MSW eh. But Ryan Mark Hidalgo is doing his job.
Kontra Mark Leiva naman dito
Yeah.
for the Manila MSW Mavericks at that time. O the Negros Occidental Pillars and Maria Solsona, go, go, go Titans daw.
Jude Meharan. Galing kayan kay Mr. Ben Tam. Pag napasok yung 3.
Dito for Hidalgo. Bukas na lahat ng bola dito para sa kanya. Pero mukhang wala na, Noel.
Abot. Now extends his lead. 8-5.
Gumagamit na ng tirit pero para ang layo pa rin. Para dito kay Totoy Daga, Noel.
Stop ball. Yan, korida.
Saktong-sakto yan for the 4. Actually, a run out lang, Noel, kasi si Hidalgo
correct.
ang
Correct.
sumago dito. Sakto naman dito ang corner pocket if he wants to do that one. Pinaigot pa yung puti. Mas pabor daw sa side.
Sa side.
Ayan.
Kukunin. For Mars Alcris Quizon. Pero what a colorful life, ano? Talagang lumayas at the age of 12. Found billiards. May konti pang kwento yun. Uy, nanipis pero napasok pa rin niya. He has not announced push. He's attacking.
Yes. Did.
Una banda. Hindi madaling tira ito.
Yes. There you go.
Hidalgo almost made the 1. Full contact on the 1.
Using the 6 this time, Noel.
2 rails. Para kay Hidalgo.
Good hit on that one. And this will open up for Totoy Daga. Yun nga lang, dumikit naman yung 7 dun sa 5 ball. And that's what he used.
Ito, 3 rails.
1, 2, 3.
Tapos nahiwalay pa ang 7 at saka yung
Yes.
5. Ball in hand. Pero ngayon, nagigising Ryan Mark Hidalgo with this open layout. Wala, yan ang tinatawag na.
Bumibilis pa nga yung tumbok dito ni Hidalgo.
Sobrang obvious na ng mga tira eh. Oh.
You know.
May round 2. This is coming off a scratch on the break. Pag-ibig na 2-9. Or to bring them closer, rather. Missed on the 9. Oy, buti na lang.
Pero hindi.
Just a little bit of a roll now for the 6 ball.
Days all over
Yes.
again for the PNP boys.
Have taken the series kontra sa kupunan ng Makati Titans. So inalis na niya sarili niya sa equation by playing first at successful kaagad ang break. A good start here para sa kupunan ng Makati.
They always found themselves in a hole. Except for Tuesday na,
Oo.
sige, they started good.
Jojo Sanchez kanina hindi niya kayang maalala. And yun na nga, natuluyan na napaupo doon. Never say die yan eh.
Because they're having their moments. It's just a matter of them to find their rhythm. Na
Oo.
no missed preparations whatsoever. Tulad yan.
Actually,
That's right.
at one point, itong dalawang ito, and it looks like it's going to be a good start.
Drasir.
Hindi na kinailangan ng upuan nitong si Black Carabao. This young man is one of the most well-rounded players daw dito sa kanyang kupunan and executes a brilliant safety. Right.
Pero sa nakikita natin sa Negros Occidental from where we are sitting, di ba?
Oo.
For 2 series already, parang lahat sila well-rounded players eh.
That's right. Anybody can step up. Actually, make his presence felt din dito. Ika nga.
Eh,
So, spadahan na
Mahaba
naman.
dito, espadahan kasi ang nangyayari. But that is a very good placing of that yellow one.
Yellow 1 ball. Or he decides to try to use the 6
Oh.
as an interfering ball. Pwede rin. Lots of right-hand spin. Try make contact with the 1 ball. Ginamit pa rin screener dito yung yellow.
Oops!
Oh, that's
Joshua
the first.
Militante.
Black Arrow sa lineup dito ng kupunan ng Makati Titans. Daniel Tawede is in uniform and
Look.
he is in the lineup. We have to make it first. Tanda natin. Kagabi,
Yes,
2-9
it
combination.
did! Naglalaro po
Actually,
dito
ang
ngayon
ganda
si
nga ni-
Dennis Orgulio, si Robocop.
Nag-tutorial. It's gonna be a successful break para dito sa Pillars. Tinuro niya sa mga malalaro and they responded very well. So habang nasa Pilipinas, nakabakasyon po yun galing Taiwan.
Maaga pa. Diba?
Oo.
Arena sa Tomas Morato dito sa Quezon City. And as far as these 2 players are concerned, they need to address papunta sa corner pocket itong 9 ball. Wag mo lang lalakasan. Ayan.
Okay na yan, okay na yan.
Miscues by Negros Occidental earlier. Hindi sana naglalaro yung dalawang
Oo.
yan.
Shooting.
The duo of this past Tuesday, but their first pairing tonight, mukhang sila yung magiging biktima. The bro is complete. Ayan. Already saw action earlier against Albert Espinola and Joshua Militante. Ang nanaig doon si Black Carabao at si Little Assassin.
Sa team niya. So talagang it was a long layoff. And even if you have been practicing,
In rhythm pa kayo, in sync pa kayo nung kakampi mo pagdating sa mga tira, sa preparation, di ba? You
Oo.
on the table, dealing with your own preparation.
and this is the 3rd series already of Makati. So magkakilala na talaga sila. Especially coming off a long break itong si Daniel Tawede. Mukhang back to good timing na naman sila.
Looks like Daniel Tawede and Michael Kinay and Raymart Kamomot back to barracks because they just won.
At sa mga monikers din pala nitong si Hidalgo is great things happen.
Uy,
Great things happened on that break. Pumasok yung 6, shot on the 1.
ayan.
Wala
Mukhang nawala
na.
na yung
Next shot, such is the beauty of Scotch doubles. Iba pa lang gusto ng partner mong titira sa susunod. Salitan po ang kanilang tira dito.
if things go the way of Negros, yung tatlong nakaupo na sa taas, mukhang sabi nila, sige, kaya nyo na yan.
Po na ng Makati Titans and as things stand. Okay,
They're bound to do that.
Oo,
Hinahanap pa naman ni Jory Obligado si Black Carabao. The last victim of a break and run out was si Black Carabao dito. The 3rd break and run out.
Pag nagdo-doubles this
Oo.
season,
So it's also a thread na kapag doubles
Oo.
tayo,
Sa one-on-one, more than 22 racks, parang 22.5 yata. We will have access to all of these stats, team stats nila, I mean, this is professional billiards. So,
Sa mga mahilig sa analytics, kumbaga.
yes. May isang stat nga doon, yung mental percentage. When we refine it and when we streamline it, you will also be, yan.
Ayan. Yung narinig nyo pong maingay na yon, huwag na po kayo magtaka.
Si Dennis po para sa Manila
Transporter.
MSW Mavericks.
But word has it, di ba? Coming from himself, di ba?
Next week na ba yun?
Kasi ang kalaban.
Paranaque Manila.
Laban next week. Looks like that's true because looks like they have enough angle. So far yung mispreparation sa'yo, that has been haunting.
So maybe even 3 papunta rito sa numero 6.
I got it. As Negros Occidental. So far, Noel, nagporto natin ang Makati. Anong sagot ang Negros?
Porto natin din. So if you take a look at the percentages,
Negros Occidental.
kanina galing run out itong kuponan ng Negros Occidental Pillars. And this will be a dry break once again. But he's
Espinal will
going
go for it.
Yup, he's going for it.
He will go for it. And he is successful!
Oy, muntik pa mag-scratch.
Successful nga! Yan na nga.
Abot
Follow
ba?
through,
Abot ba?
just and
Go offensive with this.
offense si Drasir.
Ganda naman ang panipis na yun.
Oh, got it.
Yan, ang kanilang
Kasi,
sponsor.
si Boss Bernardo Reyes tsaka si ma'am sa social media stream natin.
Kailangan natin dyan ng bola na kalat na rito para sa Pillars.
Yung pang-ahon, hindi pa po lumalabang ang Negros dito. Tumatabla lang po. Pat ang Makati, nakaapat din ang Negros.
Well, tanda natin noon meron silang nakuwang 7 straight racks to lose out 13-11. Doubles din yun. At dito sa doubles tandem ni Jolo Aspuria at ito si Drasir Mauricio.
Pero ang gagawin ni Dimples, safety
Safety muna.
tayo. Idikit mo pa sa red
Maganda
3 kung ikaw
naman.
yung Makati. Isa na lang ang di natin nakikita kay Papa Shark ngayong linggong ito.
Ano.
Magsayaw siya.
Ay, pag nanalo sila rito, pwede
Oh!
mag-diwang. What a shot!
Oh, what a shot right there!
That was perfectly
Raymond
executed.
Kamomot.
Oh, that's the shot of the night.
At ngayon, sila naman yung nananaig dito sa
Oh.
safety battle.
Sa tirang ganon. 3 rails going down. Ipapatong pa niya yung pamato doon sa uno.
Will Raymond Kamomot do something magical again?
Well, side to side din mangyayari dito. Lalayo lang. O ginamit yung sais. Trying to make this kick shot of 2
matraffic ang
rails.
dadaanan.
Oo. Papakita ba? Magpapakita ba?
Napalakas.
Nako, nakita.
Right
Walang
strength.
aling. Oo.
Yung pasal lang ng bola.
Kakakuha
Yup.
na. Depending on how they play this. Of course, ayaw mong tirahin yung kombinasyon, but the way that's set up,
They will go for the combination. For the hill.
Tres ang
And they
ginamit.
made it! Previous 4 racks, nakadalawa ang Makati, tapos nakadalawa din ang Negros.
Oy! Etong key shot dito, getting to the
Bumatak.
3 ball.
Oh, they will go
To the
for
side.
that side on that red 3, yes.
Nako.
Saan niya kukunin to? Sa crucial shot coming here. They go for the orange 5. Likewise on the
Oy.
purple 4.
And they're in shape for the 6. Yan ay sharking nila. Endgame sharking po nangyayari dito.
Interestingly, ang nagsashark dito yung mga kakampi nila. No?
3 balls away from their first win this series.
They got a 7. Noel, mukhang masasabi mong
Oo, kalat na kalat.
nakasulat to
Oo.
para sa Makati.
Banayad na yung tira doon.
Got it!
There will be no sweep in this series.
It looks like he's gonna play it safe rather than attacking. Oh, went for the corner. All right.
So this
Wow.
shot on the 3, grabe, aggressive ang pagsisimula rito ni Kina AJ.
Possible bank. Look at that right there.
Billiards arena, and coming off this dry break from Michael Kinay,
Pa sa umpisa natin, malamig pa mga players natin. Pero itong si Jonald, grabe.
ang kinailangan dito ni Jojo Sanchez, and it looks like the captain of the Pillars will get them on the board. But
Look at
it's
that right up the heart.
automatic, yes.
Break ngayon si Jonald Galve. At ang ganda ng setup ng Pato pa sa unang tira. Wag naman. Okay.
Ayan.
Para fair, sige. Ano pa lang, no, na kailan ba siya kinoro ng
Last
official?
Tuesday lang, Robert Jaworski lang nung araw yan.
Minnesota fans.
Na hindi maganda ang tumbok pag hindi siya nagsalita. And then si Earl Strickland, minsan pag kalaban niya, nire-respeto niya, tahimik din siya.
Okay.
Pero Mosconi dati,
Mhm.
Mosconi is the complete opposite. Same with Albert Espinola.
Kanya-kanyang ugali talaga.
Oo.
no?
And finally, the Makati Titans are on the board. That was not easy.
Not
Alam na
surprised.
natin yan, AJ, yung mga ganyan.
Hang on.
Teka
Hang on,
muna.
hang on.
Ay. Coming from the Thunder.
And free window, kaya pantamaan tong 2. Ayan.
Kicked it, 9 moving.
Great speed.
meron
Great
naman.
speed.
Si Aris Almario, pinapaano ko ng camera eh. Pero gusto ko pag nag-explain si Aris Almario, oh, what a kick shot. What a kick shot there coming from Mauricio.
Let's see if he can actually put that cue ball behind the 9. Very nice. Look at this.
Ganda.
Oh my. Wow.
Sobrang ganda, pwede ligawan yung tira na yon. Ito, one rail kick, susubukan dito ni Mauricio.
More of an escape.
Whoa!
Wow.
Just when you thought there was no solution, Tisoy finds a way.
So he can just slowly drop the 7. Hindi. Tatamaan.
Oh.
Wow. Teka lang.
Ayan ang may dunong.
Wow.
And Raymart Kamomot has solved the puzzle.
That was very ballsy.
And of course, after an opening miss, Raymart Kamomot goes on autopilot.
Tingnan natin kung makakabalik pa siya dito.
Espinola will not
Yeah.
attack. Sana makapiling natin sila. Kamomot making good contact with the 1.
Uh-oh.
Pepreno.
Yun. Cue ball safety na ito. Yun, using the 4 and 7. Good speed.
He has an option to attack but looks like he won't.
Nagiging maingat siya dito kay natin siya masisilayan talaga sa TV.
Nakapag-singles na rin yan para dito sa...
Sa nakikita natin, nagdadalawang isip siya, no? Cue ball behind the 4
Kaya sinasabi mo.
sa right side. Hindi,
Hindi, left side niya.
Left talaga. Yun na
Ay!
lang. Okay, another chance on the 1 ball and this time he
Yun
secured the
lang.
1 ball.
No, but he's hooked.
Para mas fancy ko yung short rail eh. Pero ito, kung kaya mo naman i-control para ganyan yung setup, why not? Para malagay yung Pato sa likod ng 6, 7. 7 pala, pati 4. Ayun na nga. All around. All-rounder.
I don't think this will make it. It did not make it.
Na kung sakaling na ganon, napatanong ako kasi nga, yung placement.
So he's looking at the flight path. 2 to the 3. Side
Sakto lang
pocket.
daw.
Andyan din yata yung baby. Yung kit ng baby niya. No?
Straight draw, balik gitna. Very nice. Pwede rin. Or inside siya, side pocket ang
inside
6.
na nga.
Yun. Yung position ng cue ball medyo off sa sa shooting, bridge hand mo.
Pinola knows that he is 2 balls away from sitting down again. Drasir Mauricio won 6 racks nung nakaraang Lunes. This will be his 2nd win tonight.
Fancy hiding the cue ball again. Yan. Okay, very nice. The 5 and 7, or 4 rather, 4-7 window, or pwede dito para wala nang tatamang bola.
Dito lang daw sa walang traffic. Wow! Kick in for John Drasir Mauricio. That's the 2nd time he's done that tonight. So we're gonna be looking forward to that matchup next week. Kick and hide.
Yung
Talaga.
tagig, isa
Oo.
rin ang tagig talaga.
2 rails and then 1 rail lang.
Ooh,
Ganda naman ang
napasiksik
control
talaga.
nun. It is gonna be an intentional foul. There is no solution to this.
Yan. Dikit ang 8 sa 1.
Kaya lang, humiwalay ang 8. Ganda na ng kalat ng bola para dito kay Aspuria.
Good speed sa pagbalik ng Pato dito for the 2.
Dok
Aray
Nicky,
ko.
humingi ka sa katerbang, S to S. O yan.
Mr. Arsenio Adamos, shout out to you. Tapos papaikutin niya, passing between the 8 and 9 window. Around the 9. There you go. How does the cue ball land? Pretty well.
Pwede na rin.
Naman yung pasisirin yung pato dito. Yan.
Hindi mo binibigyan eh.
Hindi safe to say.
Wala na.
Ayan, 3 balls away. Jolo Aspuria. Despite na meron silang matagal-tagal na pahinga
Correct.
nung December, Jojo is really proud.
And that will do it, folks. Etong kupunan ng Negros Occidental Pillars officially replicate the score from last Monday's King of the Hill